Hello everyone, Secret Super Chef is back again. Today's recipe is homemade burger buns. Let's begin with the recipe. These buns are made using a technique called tanzong, a fancy word used for our age-old lie that our grandmoms used to make from maida and water. It's exactly that. All we have to do here is take our all-purpose flour, that's maida, and water, and whisk it together so that no lumps are formed. And then start cooking it on slow flame and keep whisking so that we don't have any lumps. Within a few minutes, the mixture will thicken. Cover the mixture and let it cool. Once a tanzong has cooled, it will look like this and it will become like gooey and sticky. This is exactly what we need. Remove it in a mixing bowl. Add the milk, add the eggs. Adding eggs really give a good texture to a bread. Whisk everything together till you have a nice liquid. Now to this liquid we'll add our flours. In my recipe I have used all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour. Using a spatula, try to mix all the dry ingredients. If you're not comfortable, you can use your hands to start kneading it. Now we'll add our yeast, the sugar. We'll also add some milk powder for some softness. Now using little milk, we'll start kneading our dough. Do not add a lot of milk here, add gradually and start kneading. So this way you're going to use it only as much as is needed. Once you feel that your dough is almost started coming together, add melted butter and now start kneading. It will almost take around 10 to 15 minutes for kneading the dough till you have a very smooth consistency dough. So do not skip this step. You'll notice that my dough is almost come together. It's smooth, it's nice and it's easily pileable. But I'm making sure that I knead the dough once again so that it will activate my yeast in the whole process. I'm happy with this texture. So I'm going to let my dough rest now. Nicely spread some melted butter all over a dough. Cover it and let it rest till it doubles, say around 45 minutes. After almost 45 minutes to 1 hour, my dough has doubled in size. And it really looks amazing. Now just punch back the air. Knead it for a few minutes and let it come to its normal size. Once it looks all ready, divide the dough into equal portions. Roll each ball gently between your palms. Make sure to have nice smooth surface and then gently tuck in together, forming a nice tight circle. Leave some space in between before placing them on a baking tray because these buns will double in size. Cover the buns with a damp cloth and let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes once again. Here I am taking some milk and honey that I am going to mix together. And I am going to use this honey and milk mixture to brush over my buns to have that crusty golden brown effect. Once the buns have proofed for the second time, apply the honey and milk mixture, brush it all over the buns. Sprinkle some black sesame seeds. You can also sprinkle some white sesame seeds. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then bake our buns for 20 to 22 minutes or till the tops have turned golden brown in color. You can slice the buns and check the texture. You'll really love the outcome. Enjoy them with simple bun maska or you can make chicken burgers. Baked one lot 5 minutes extra to have a little crispier version. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.